In this video, I will guide you on how to change private Facebook group to public. First, launch open the Facebook app, then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. From here, you want to select groups. Now go ahead and find the group that you want to change, then select that. Here, you should be able to find the option of manage, tap on that. Now scroll down a bit. Here, find the option of group settings, select that. Now, you're going to find the option of privacy over here, tap on that. Now, if the group is set to private, you simply want to select the option of public. So go ahead and select that. Then tap on the continue option. But remember that you can only change a Facebook group from private to public if it has fewer than 5,000 members. If your group is larger than that, Facebook locks the privacy settings to private permanently to protect your member data. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.